For today's question, we're going to continue with our discussion on mountains. For the given Appalachian Mountains peaks, the height of the highest peak is approximately what percent greater than the height of the lowest peak. So let's go back to this table. The Appalachian Mountain is here. Appalachian Mountain peak. So it's right here. So now we are looking for the height of the highest peak. The height of the highest peak is 6,684. So let's write that down. 6,684 for the highest peak. Now, what is the lowest peak? The height of the lowest peak. That is this guy here, Balsam Cone, 6,611. So let's write that down also. 6,611. So the question is, by how many percent is this guy greater than this guy? So the question is pretty much a percent increase or decrease question. So because it's an increase from 6,611 to 6,684, it's an increase. So we're going to calculate a percentage increase. So how do we do that? Percentage increase is increase divided by original amount times 100%. Now, what is increase? Increase is the height of the highest peak minus the height of the lowest peak. So by how much did this increase by how much is the increase by? So that's what increase is. So this becomes 6,684 minus 6,611 divided by the original amount, with 6,611 multiplied by 100%. So 6,684 minus 6,611 gives me 73 divided by 6,611 times 100. So what does that give us? So that gives us, using the calculator, gives us 1.104%. So which is option A. And this is how you calculate percentage increase. Please remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe for more videos on SAT. And please watch the previous videos, parts 1 to 7 of our SAT math walkthrough. And I'll see you in part 9.